Welcome to the Taupo District Council extraordinary meeting of Council, Tuesday 16th of May. Good morning members of the public and members of the press, also council officers and councillors. Nice to see you all. I understand we're being filmed, is that correctly, Mrs. Nian? We've been filmed here today. Good morning, Hunter for the New Zealand Herald, nice to have you here, and of course Robert from the Taupo Times. All right, Councillor Truman, could I ask for your blessing today, please, Councillor Truman? Thank you.
E te atua kaharawa kia tata mai koe kia mātou e tēnei rā, mana ki te a mātou e mahi katoa e rungi tingua o te tama o te wairua tapu ake anō.
Thank you, Councillor Truman. Thank you very much for that. So item number 1 on the agenda is apologies. And we have apologies from Councillor Harvey, Councillor Cousins. Other than that, that's a full complement. Could I have a mover, please, for that? Thank you, Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Okay, item 3.1 is the notice of motion of Councillor Body, conflicts of interest, sorry. Item 2, any conflicts of interest before the notice of motion? No, being the case,